So students, now we have come on the third part. Okay, and in the third part you see that what it is there. Now, basically, for Valli, it is her first journey. And basically, for Valli, it was a very big temptation. How to save 30 paisa. Okay. And what Valli did, she saved her pocket money. Okay. And in front of her, so many temptations it came. Like the toffees, like paperments, like toys, like balloons, okay? As the children, they used to purchase it. What Valli didn't purchase those things. Yes or no? What Valli did? Valli thriftily, okay? The word here is coming, thriftily, very cautiously, very carefully, very judiciously, okay? Valli saved 30 paisa for going and 30 paisa for coming. Okay, so like this way, here we used to see that Valli saved this much amount in that manner also. Okay, and after that she had enough money saved for the next problem, how to slip. And after that, in front of Valli, one problem it was there, how to skip from her house, because all the time her mother, she remained in the house only. Yes or no? And in front of Valli, it was a very big problem how she can just pass from her house so that mother also couldn't know that Valli has gone for this purpose, traveling in a bus, because it was a very big task in front of Valli, because Valli, she was 8 years small girl. An 8 years small girl who is leaving her village and going to a town, and again from coming there, it is not a small task. Okay, so in front of Valli, it was very difficult how to manage from her mother. And Valli was observing all the activities of her mother. At what time mother goes where, at what time mother comes back, and what time mother sleeps also. Okay, and here you see her mother would nap from about 1 to 4, and this was a daily routine of her mother. Okay, Valli was observing each and everything, that when time period 1 it comes, what happens? My mother sleeps. And when 4 it comes, mother wakes up. Yes. So like this way, Valli was very much aware that this is only the particular time period when I can go anywhere and I can come back also, and my mother will also not come to know anything that where my daughter was. Okay. Now after that, like this way we see that Valli, she went in that particular bus. Okay. So the bus rolled on cutting across the bridge of the bar landscape and now rushing through a tiny hamlet, paths and odd ways, wide shop also. So like this way we see that Valli sat in the bus and Valli was observing all the views through the window. Okay. And Valli was enjoying also all the scenes which were coming at the particular side when the bus was moving from one place to another. Okay, somewhere the bus comes at the crossing of the road. Okay, somewhere we see that so many obstacles it comes in front of the bus also. Trees came running towards them and stopped the bus, reached at a simple stop. So many things. It was a point of attraction for Valli. And Valli was very much happy after observing all these things, that how their Valli is moving ahead and trees are going back. Yes or no? Everything Valli was observing, and she was very much happy. Okay. But at one place, Valli observed one thing, that there was a young cow. As the bus was moving side by side, one cow whose tail it was high in the air, and the cow was also running parallel to the bus. Isn't it? Driver was honking. Driver was giving a big horn. As the horn it blow high, the cow become active mode. And cow is not going offside from the road. And Valli was observing everything, and it was a fun for Valli. Yes or no? And Valli was enjoying. And you see that driver was giving the horn. Okay? But this particular animal is animal, you see. Yes, okay? Animal is not going to just get a sight from the roadside, and Valli was observing everything. So this was very funny to Valli. She laughed and laughed until there were tears in her eyes. You see her excitement. What it was here? that even at the time of laughing, Valli was so much excited that tears they also came in the eyes of Valli. Okay. Hey lady, have not you loud enough called the conductor? Now here, conductor is using another word. Hey lady. See the expression of conductor. And conductor is saying, hey lady, okay, loud enough call the conductor. Better have some, okay, tears. It should be saved by you for tomorrow also. Okay? Just don't take out the tears by today only. Have some tears. At least you save it so that tomorrow the tears can also come. Okay? At last what happened? The cow moved up the road. Okay? And soon the bus came to a road crossing a span of the train from the distance growing bigger and bigger. It drew near and rushed past the crossing gate in a tremendous roar and rattling, shaking the bus. And like this we see in this para, this bus was passing from different points also, and from different scenes they were coming. Somewhere the shops were there, and somewhere the big crowd was there, somewhere the clothes were hanging, and somewhere the things were displayed. As in the market we see, okay? And Valli was observing everything, and Valli was very much happy because Valli was that girl who used to remain all the time in her house only. Yes or no? And this was a very great opportunity for Valli to go from one place to another. Okay? So you see that, struck dumb with wonder, Valli gathered everything and the bus stopped and everyone got off except. Now what happened? The particular destination came. Where the bus is to stop, bus stopped there. And all the passengers, naturally, you know, when the last stop it comes, what happened? All the passengers, they get off from the bus. Except Valli was not getting down from the bus. She was not going to deboard from the bus. And conductor was also very much surprised. Conductor asked to Valli, the last stop has come. Are you not going to get down? Where you have to go, go. And what Valli said? No, I will not go out from the bus. I will go again back to my home from the same bus. Okay? And here the conductor is also very much surprised. No, nothing the matter. I just feel having the bus ride, that's all. And what Valli said? I came in this bus just to have a ride. Okay? Don't you have to look at the side now that you are. And conductor said, okay, no problem. If you have come to take a ride, at least just get out and see. There are the particular cold drinks are there. There are other shops also there. You go and have a merriment and enjoyment over there. Have a joy over there. Valli is not going out from the bus. Okay? And conductor is doing the arguments, you can say like this, to her. Nothing to be afraid of about, she answered, well, why not? Go out of the stall, over there, have something to drink. Nothing to be afraid of what either. Okay? Conductor, you see, conductor is saying so many things because Valli is a small girl also. Okay? Oh no, I could not do that. Well then let me bring you a cold drink. Even conductor is offering a cold drink from his side to her. Okay, that madam, may I bring the cold drink for you? Valli is not going to listen. No, I don't have enough money. Just give me my ticket, that's all. And straightforward Valli gave the answer, no. I have no enough money. I am not going to take anything from you. Take 30 paisa again and give me my return ticket. Yes or no? I have to go back. It will be my treat. Not cost of you anything. So no, she said firmly, please no. The conductor shrugged. Shrug means when you just uphold the shoulders upside, that is called shrugging. Okay? Then waited until it was the time of the bus to begin return journey. Again there were not many passengers. Now the time has come when the bus again has to start. Okay? Backside at the same journey, and bus started, and that time there were no many passengers were in the bus. So this was volume 3. Please press the button.